everyone. Today we are going to make Dal Pakwan using split chana or Bengal gram lentil. Dal Pakwan is a protein-packed Sindhi recipe made out of Bengal gram lentil served with pakwan or crisp fried Indian bread. For dal, the ingredients required are split chana dal, cumin, green chilies, turmeric, chili powder, asafoetida, coriander powder. Rinse and soak chana dal for few hours. Pressure cook it for 2 or 3 whistles so that it is cooked yet separate. Heat ghee or oil in a pan and add cumin, green chilies, turmeric, chili powder, asafoetida, coriander powder and add cooked dal. Mix well and add very little water if required. Simmer for some time, add salt and keep aside. For pakwan, deep fried crisp bread, ingredients required are 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and add enough water to make a semi-soft dough. Make small balls and roll them in small circles. Prick with a fork. Fry in hot oil till the pakwans are crisp and golden. Serve pakwan with warm chana dal. Sprinkle coriander leaves and chopped onion. Thank you.